You're not a fucking control freak.
I'm just trying to think of a good time. Dude, it's hella funny. Oh my god, I'm crying right now. Oh, so you woke her up.
I woke her up, really? Why do you have?
Really? You're pulling on her fucking tongue. You're fucking blaming on me.